So now what I've successfully done is to put lining on all these front parts, just the front part. Even the sleeve, I'll also put lining on the sleeve. And the material I use is bridal. I didn't use lining, I used bridal. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to set the bustier to be ready. So I'm going to be bringing the foam I'm going to be putting here so that she will not need to wear bra when she wants to wear this dress. So I'm going to remove the lining, then I will do what I want to do. Just watch, you will understand. It's not something that I can explain. So now this is the foam I'm going to be using for this. So now the first thing I'm going to do is to mark where the underbust ends. When I was cutting it, this is where my underbust ends. This is it. So I'm just going to place the other side with it, just like this. I'm going to place them together just like this. So I will know where this one ends. I will just direct it like this. So this one too can end here. So I mark the back so to end in the same place. So for this place, I'm going to put on everywhere just like this. Then for this place, I'm just going to put just like this. That's how I'm going to put it, just like this. So now this is what I have completely. So I'm just going to turn this one like this and stitch it down. This same thing, I stitch this place, then same thing I do here, I stitch here, then I place them together. I place them together just like this. Then I sew from beginning just like this. Then same thing I'll do to the other side. I sew, then I'll bring it back. So now I'm done sewing it. This is what I have. This is the back and this is the front. So now this is the lining. I sew it just the same way I sew the front. So I'll just place it on top now. Just like this. Place it on top. You all know what this is. This is hemming gum. This is what I'm going to be using. I want that neck part to be firm and beautiful. So I'm going to put this here. Then I'm going to sew it. Then I'm going to sew the sides too. So let me sew it and bring it back. So now this is the front that I have turned. So what I did was to put this stay hemming gum rather here. So I'm just going to notch this side. Then I'll bring it out. Now the next thing now is to use a steam iron to iron it. If you use a steam iron to iron it, this place automatically, this upper part would automatically relax and gum to the lining because of the stay that I have added here. This place will automatically gum with the lining after ironing. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to iron because I'm in a hurry to finish this tutorial. So what you need to do is to just iron it, iron all this part, and you'll be fine. This is the back pattern. I just sew it just the same way I sew the front part. So this is it. So I'm just going to still notch it the same way I notched the front pattern. So now this is what we have. This is what we have. This is the back and this is the front. So you're just going to iron it so that it will be smooth and nice. So after this now, you bring the front pattern. I didn't put lining at the down. If you notice very well, I didn't put lining at the down pattern. Why? Because the material is very, very thick. I just put the lining at the front because I wanted to turn all the sides, the neck and everywhere, the armhole. That's why I just had to put lining here. But for this, do not put lining at all. So I'm just going to open this now, the front pattern. I'm going to notch the mid part. So I'm going to place this front pattern after ironing. Please do it after ironing. So you just fold it into two, mark the midpoint, then you just go to your machine and sew straight. So now I'm done sewing and I have weaved it. So this is what I have, and I've also ironed it. That's what I've done. So this is the front now. So now we're going to work on the back. This is the back pattern. I'm just going to put that here and put that here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold this here like this. Let me measure. This is 4 inches. 4 inches. You bend 4 inches like this. 4 inches. Most times I don't measure because I'm kind of know how every measurement is, even without measuring it. I already know. So that's why most times I don't measure. But you can measure, please. So now this is the back. I'm done putting that. This is what I have. So this is what I want to use to do the design at the back. So I need 4 of it. I'm just going to cut this one into 4, just like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to gum stay to it. I'm going to gum stay to just two of it. Then I'll use the rest to turn this one. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it and bring it back. I'm going to put gum stain on these two. Then I'm going to use this one to turn them each. So now, so that you'll be very sure of what I want to do, this is it. I've already put gum stay on this. This is a very strong gum stay. They used to call it color stay. This is what I used. So now I'm just going to turn it the wrong side facing down. Then I'll just place this on top. Place this on top. I'm just going to sew just like this and like this. That's all. Just like this and like this. So now I'm done turning it and I've ironed it. I'm going to be coming here. I've already measured it. I've already measured what I want. So I'm just going to be coming here like this. Place it straight and I'm going to sew it to this side like this. I'm going to come like this. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to carry it like this. Then I'm going to sew it down so it will just be like this. So that's what I'm going to do to the other side. So same thing. So now I'm done with the back. This is what it looks like. So this zipper allowance will be there. So when zipper allowance comes, this is what I will have. I'm just going to put eyelets here. I'm going to put eyelets here. So I want to cut this place, the one that is remaining. Cut it. The one that is remaining. Cut it. So now I'm going to be joining the back with it. I will just join the back with it. I will just put my darts here. Once I put my darts, then I will join it. So now this is the back. So I just pinned the zipper allowance, so I'll be able to hold my shape because I don't have the zip I'm going to put yet. So I'm just going to make sure the front side is facing the front side, just like this. Then I'm going to go and hold my shape. I'm going to go and hold the shape of the dress. So now finally I'm done sewing the dress. I'm done. This is the whole dress. I've also folded it down. This is it down. Folded it down. So this is the sleeve. So now this is the sleeve. I've already turned the sides. So I just want to put this fringe inside. That's what I want to do. I want to put the fringe inside while I sew it. So that after I sew, the fringe will be outside like this. You understand? So I just have to put it inside. Just like this. Then I'm going to take my time to sew it. Take my time to sew it. Same thing I will do to this other sleeve too. The only thing I did to this was to put gum stay. Everybody knows this gum stay. I just place this gum stay so that it will be strong. The hand will be able to stand firm than when it's the normal fabric. And I'm done putting the fringe. This is how it looks. This is the back. And this is the front. The next thing is to put pleats in here. Put it in here. Yeah, it can stand as you want it. So now this is the sleeve. Okay, let me put it here now. And this one will be here. So I'll just go and join it. Join there. So guys, this is the masterpiece we just created. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you feel about this video, and don't forget I added eyelets to the back and I made a rope to tie it. Thank you. See you next time.